You see, Hoods and News Media said crackhead rental era was lit. You had to be there. Now, y'all know when I speak in the realm of reality. I'm not saying crack is the way to go. I'm saying I understand it. You can call them a crackhead, but you cannot call them niggas lazy. Okay? You can get whatever the fuck you want from a crackhead. They will rent you a TV. I rented a fucking apartment from one of them motherfuckers. Alright? I watched a crackhead cut a fucking front yard with a pair of scissors. You can rent a fucking grandmother from them. You have no idea. Alright? I ain't saying that the shit is the right way. I'm saying I understand it. Now all the crackheads now sip lean and lazy as shit. You can't get them niggas, man, to do anything. Alright? Bring them niggas back, but keep the crack. Or if the crack is needed, then get a little bit of crack or whatever. Alright? Because whatever you needed, they had it. Had a crackhead tell me, man, look, man, I got this motherfucking EBT card, man, from New Mexico. Nigga, what? Give me the card, nigga. Give me the card.